Troubleshooting an LG front-load washing machine locked door. Your LG front-load washing machine was designed with a safety locking feature to protect you and your home from injury or damage. If the washer is running, the door will lock automatically to prevent access to its moving parts or water from spilling out. And if you stop or pause a cycle, the door may remain locked until it is safe to open. The washing machine is equipped with a sensor that detects washer operation as well as water level and temperature. Now we'll show you how to resolve a locked washer if the water level is too high, if the water temperature is too hot, or if there is a brief power outage. Water level too high. If your washer's door is locked and the water level is high inside the drum, you should run a drain-only cycle to drain the water from the drum. To do this, power on the machine and press the spin speed button until no spin is selected. Then start the cycle. This will activate the drain-only function. Once the water has drained, pause or stop the cycle and the door will unlock. If you are not able to run the drain-only cycle, another way is to manually drain the tub by unplugging the small drain hose located behind the access panel on the lower front of your washing machine. Be sure to grab some shallow pans large enough to collect the water. It will be an excessive amount of water, so proceed with extreme caution. Once completely drained, plug the hose and reinsert it back into place. This will also allow the door to unlock. Water temperature too hot. If the water in the tub is too hot for the washer to unlock the door, simply wait for the washer to cool down and the door will unlock. If the washer has cooled and there is no water inside it, and it is still unable to open, unplug the power cord and wait 3 to 5 minutes. Then the door should open normally. Brief power outage. If a brief power outage were to occur, the door will remain locked until the next time the machine is powered on. If the power outage lasts longer than 3 to 5 minutes, the door will unlock automatically. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.